20 billion euro per year. That's how much money could be saved with optimal thermal energy storage only in Europe. In many cases, the storage is necessary. Imagine you have a solar collector. During the day, you store energy in HeatTank while melting the phase change material, a special biomaterial inside. At night, when the sun is not shining, but you would like to use hot water, the material inside HeatTank solidifies and warms up the tap water so you can enjoy your bathing. On the other hand, you can increase the efficiency. If you have a server farm, the cooling costs are enormous. With HeatTank, you can operate your cooling system and solidify the storage when its efficiency is better, and use the storage alone when the efficiency is worse to save energy and money. Compared to the traditional water storages, HeatTank is 90% smaller in size and usable for cooling as well. Compared to the other phase change storage, HeatTank is more efficient thanks to its patented structure, saves more energy, decreases the CO2 emissions, and has a faster return on investment within 1.5 to 3 years. We offer infinity-use cases for server cooling, heating and cooling of greenhouses, industrial processes, or cooling electric car battery. Don't hesitate to contact us. HeatTank, the cool way to store heat.